Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss metal table legs importance in our real life. Metallic table legs play a significant role in both the functionality and aesthetic appeal of a table. Here are some key reasons why metallic table legs are important. Stability and durability. Metallic table legs provide excellent stability and support for the tabletop. The strength and rigidity of materials such as stainless steel, brushed brass, or iron ensure that the table remains sturdy. Versatile design options. Metallic table legs offer a wide range of design possibilities, allowing for versatility and customization. Different metal finishes, shapes, and patterns can be incorporated into the legs to complement various interior styles from modern and minimalist to industrial or contemporary. Visual appeal. Metallic table legs add a touch of sophistication and elegance to any space. The reflective surfaces of metal such as chrome or polished brass can create a visually striking contrast with the tabletop, enhancing the overall aesthetics of the table. Additionally, metallic legs can provide a sleek and contemporary look or a vintage and retro charm, depending on the chosen design. Longevity and easy maintenance. Metal is known for its durability and resistance to wear and tear. Metallic table legs are often more resistant to scratches, dents, and stains compared to other materials. Adaptability to different environments. Metallic table legs are suitable for various settings, including indoor and outdoor spaces. Metals are less susceptible to damage caused by temperature fluctuations, humidity, or exposure to sunlight, making them ideal for both residential and commercial applications. Overall, metallic table legs provide stability, durability, aesthetic appeal, making them a popular choice for those seeking stylish and functional furniture pieces. Now we will discuss the benefits of metal table legs. There are mainly 7 benefits of metal table legs. Metal table legs offer several benefits that make them a popular choice for furniture design. Here are some key advantages of using metal table legs. In which number 1 is strength and stability. Number 2 is durability. And number 3 is versatility in design. Number 4 is aesthetic appeal. And number 5 is easy maintenance. Number 6, compatibility and adaptability. Number 7, environmental sustainability. And last one is the summary of metal table legs. In summary, metal table legs offer strength, stability, durability, versatility in design, aesthetic appeal, easy maintenance, compatibility, and environmental sustainability. These benefits make them a practical and stylish choice for furniture that can withstand the test of time and enhance any interior space. As you watch this table, I hope you like this video. Please like and share.